Ellie, you right, Ellie? What you do, Ellie? Work with horses. What, just speaking to them and that? Shoveling shit, you're like a stable girl, are you? Fucking hell. What do you do, mate? 2 stable girls. My God, I'm going to have such a wank later, me. The master's home! Where's your stables, mate? Cheshire. Lovely. What? Posh bird. You said that like we should burn it. Get it outside and fucking burn it. You know what? We should hold her for ransom here. Our fella's got money there. Fucking proper working class chip on her shoulder over there, like. It's all right, love. You're safe. Don't worry about it. What? She's not? Shit. Get behind Mike, mate, if I was you. I can't do nothing here, mate. Not gonna lie, he looks like a big fella. If he wants you, he's having you.